What's up, everybody? Mason here, and we're gonna be skating on the back porch today because it's raining outside. And we're gonna see if we can get some pretty nice flat ground tricks. Try to get like a nice tray, kick flip, heel flip, varial flip. Maybe I want a nice varial heel because I haven't got one of those clean on flat yet. So I've got them off something, but not on flat. So I gotta get those clean, and then we'll just see what we can do, I guess. All right, we got a nice tray actually. Pretty good heel flip, some good kick flips. So, let's see. I'm gonna try varial flip, and then I'll go to varial heel. Ooh, almost did a clean varial flip first try. Dude, that was actually pretty good. All right, let's get that. Second try varial flip, let's go. I'll take that. Alright, we got a clean varial flip, bro. That was sick. Alright, I'll try varial heel now. Almost first try, dang. I'm surprised from that attempt. Almost first try. Alright. I need to do more shove. I'm getting the heel flip, but I need to shove more. That was close. Oh, that was it right there. Let's go. Dude, I wish it wasn't so wet out on the concrete, so I can get some more speed and do these. It would be a lot easier. But we can still get it right here. Let's try. Need to hang my foot off more. Yeah, that's my problem. I just need to hang my foot off more. Alright. Let's get it. Right here. Holy crap. I primo caught that one. That was so sketchy and it hurt my feet so bad. Alright, let's get a cleaner one. Alright, let's clean this varial heel up. 2 in a row, bro. Let's go. I can't really roll away on this because there's not much room, but I mean, I'm gonna do another one for sure, but that was one good one. Let's see if we can go a little faster and do it. Okay, that was good speed, but I did not get all the way around in my varial heel, so if I get all the way around, that would be a good one. Not getting all the way around. Alright, after I land this varial heel, I'm gonna go get a drink real quick. I'm thirsty. Alright, you know what? I'm really freaking thirsty, bro, so I'm gonna take that one. Got like 2 decent ones, 3 decent ones. I'll take that one. Let's see if we can do a little freestyle, maybe.
The reason that you're going ahead of you is just because you have more weight in the front, so it sends the board backwards. The weight has to be...
I was laying on it every time.
The weight,
I'm messing up.
make sure your weight is here, and not here.
Okay.
Like, see how it stays under you? And then, like you're doing, just stay sideways. As soon as you pop, turn sideways. Cool.
Oh yeah, and I thought of actually jumping straight up in my head.
That's what I'm saying.
Right there? That's
so
what I
jumping
meant.
straight up is That's what I mean.
Straight up.
That's what I mean by your weight right here.
Yeah.
So if you're leaned on your front leg, when you pop that tail, you're gonna jump forward regardless because your weight is on your front leg. If your weight is here and you pop, you're going straight up. If your weight's behind, like back here on your back knee, when you pop, it's gonna go out.
Yeah.
So it's all about shoulders straight, parallel with your board, and then freaking the weight needs to be centered. You know what I'm saying? And then you'll land them every try.
Yeah.
Like that was freaking. That one was perfect.
Yeah.
And then after you get, doing them over and over and over, then the scoop becomes easy. And it's just like, you can
When I
feel
was
your
first out here
hand.
doing them, I was scooping and landing on it every
Yeah,
time.
you're just
2 feet.
You just,
I just been seeing for a while.
You're tired. You're tired. You're skating. That's just, your weight is just a little forward.
Yeah.
That's it. Oh, look at that. And that's just because your weight's still a little forward. And that's habit. That's how you get used to doing it. You just keep doing it, doing it, doing it until you get it exactly where you want it.
Yeah. Holy
That's
crap!
perfect.
Bolts!
I've seen it.
What?
Because you're putting your
That's sick.
that was sick. Like that bitch was bolts. Now imagine doing that on the 5 stage.
For real.
How I did it in Titusville at the Titusville Park, now you can do it. Now you'll be able to do it at Titusville over the 5 stairs.
Yeah.
You literally just float the tray and catch it, bro. And your trays are pop, really, they're not scoopy, they're more pop.
Yeah.
So
I
they're
feel
like
the
high,
more pop.
so it's bringing it right to your front foot, dude. And you
Yeah.
can just land that bitch down the 5 stair. Kill that. Yep, so you just hit, turn your body, turn your shoulders.
Yeah.
Turn your shoulders back sideways. Once you scoop, turn sideways.
When you get when I mess up, that means my foot's in the wrong place.
Yeah, yeah. That's me.
If I don't scoop, it doesn't go in the right
If I don't scoop right, it fucking doesn't work.
Yeah.
Or I'll have my front foot too far on the board or too far off. And that's what messes me up. That's it. See how high yours are? Imagine your
Spread
weight
my
back.
legs out more.
Your weight back in front of you again a little.
Alright.
Get more centered and follow your board.
Oh.
You were like this.
Yeah.
You were this way instead of this way. Which that happens once you get tired, start getting tired, you start having to scoop harder. You start having to scoop harder when you're tired. So it makes you stay this way. In the Reebok. Oh, first try, switch tray. I landed on the nose, but that's first try, son. The fuck? Holy shit. Holy shit.
Oh. Oh. That was dope.
Sideways. Yep. Oh, I hit my hand. Right.
No. Bro. I've never done that actually trying to do it. Like I think I've done it on accident before, but I was actually trying to do it. And I actually did it, bro. I'm stoked. Let's go. That was super quick too. Let's go.
Yeah. It's easier for
I
us
got one on camera yet.
because we kick flip kind of like down before the nose, so it makes it easier for us. Andy kick flips like us, but he actually like when he wants to. It's easy to kickflip high off a bank, easier. I just can't kickflip on a flat. Yeah, that was it.
Still
Turn around, or no, not turn around. You can't go from that way.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
I'm recording.
Yeah.